Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best damp duster sponge Daddy is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle everything from everyday spills to stubborn grime with its unique dual-sided texture that offers both scrubbing power and gentle wiping capabilities, making it an indispensable companion for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Introducing the Pink Stuff, a revolutionary all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle your toughest stains and grime with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. This powerful paste is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. It's your ultimate solution for almost any household mess you encounter. Don't let its gentle nature fool you. It's tough on dirt but kind to your surfaces. It removes stubborn stains without scratching, ensuring a spotless and shiny finish. Using it is incredibly simple. Just apply a little paste to a damp cloth, rub gently, and rinse. You'll achieve a beautifully clean and polished look in no time. After cleaning, enjoy a delightful rhubarb fragrance that leaves your home smelling fresh and great. It makes your space not only spotless but also wonderfully scented. What we like. This cleaning paste is incredibly versatile and effective on a wide range of surfaces. If you're looking for a single solution to tackle grime in both your kitchen and bathroom, this is it. If you want a powerful cleaner that's also gentle on your surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. It is a great sponge for cleaning. It is a great sponge for cleaning. Number 4. Scrub Daddy Caddy. Introducing the Daddy Caddy, the perfect holder for your favorite sponge or scrubber. It's designed to keep your cleaning tools organized and within reach. Featuring 2 large suction cups, it adheres firmly to most smooth surfaces without slipping. This ensures it stays put, whether in your kitchen sink or shower. Its open-air design promotes better self-draining and drying, helping to eliminate odors. This keeps your sponge and sink area cleaner. Store your smiley face sponge neatly out of the way, yet easily accessible. Its low-profile design is perfect for everyday use and deep cleaning. Cleaning this kitchen sink organizer is a breeze. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and thorough clean. What we like. This caddy is designed to perfectly hold your favorite smiley-faced sponge, keeping it off the counter. If you want to keep your sink area tidy and your sponge dry, you should consider this. If you like a minimalist design that also promotes better hygiene, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a great sponge for cleaning. This sponge is very effective at cleaning. It is a durable sponge that lasts a long time. Number 3. Scrub Daddy Sponge Holder. Tired of messy countertops? This is the smart solution for storing your sponges and scrubbers, keeping your sink area neat and tidy. Ensure a strong hold by cleaning the dual suction cups before use. They create a secure bond on smooth surfaces, keeping it firmly in place. It's designed to fit not just your Scrub Daddy, but also several traditional sponges. It's the perfect fit for any cleaning tool. Thanks to its thoughtful design, it promotes optimal airflow. This helps your sponges drain and dry quickly after each use. Keep your cleaning essentials out of the way but always within reach. Its low-profile design complements any kitchen sink. For easy cleaning, simply place it in your dishwasher. It's designed for convenience and durability. What we like. This holder offers a secure and stable place for your sponge, preventing it from slipping. If you need a reliable and universally fitting sponge holder for your kitchen sink, this is a great option. If you prioritize quick drying and easy access to your sponge, you should consider this. What people say. The suction things have never moved, and hold strongly to the side of the sink all the time. It is dishwasher washable in the top rack, as are the sponges, so this is the perfect solution for keeping the sponge. The size of this is perfect and the fact that it is clear makes it seem much more low profile in the sink than other sponge holders. It is definitely good quality and I like that it has a lot of drainage so that you do not get soap, scum, buildup, or a smelly sponge. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Eraser Daddy Sheets. Introducing the Eraser Daddy Sheets from Scrub Daddy. These innovative sheets are designed to be 10 times more durable than traditional erasers, making your cleaning tasks easier. Simply dampen these sheets with warm water to activate their powerful cleaning abilities. They are perfect for spot cleaning and effortlessly removing marks, scuffs, and fingerprints from various hard surfaces. Infused with unique scrubbing gems, these sheets offer enhanced scrubbing power. This blend provides a level of cleaning efficacy that standard kitchen scrubbers and erasers often lack. With vibrant colors, you can easily color code your cleaning jobs. Use them in the bathroom, kitchen, on walls, baseboards, and even on your sneakers for a comprehensive clean. These sheets are more flexible than traditional sponges, allowing for quick and efficient cleaning of a wide range of items. From utensils and furniture to siding and bathtubs, they tackle dirt, grime, and gunk wherever they appear. Designed for comfort and a secure grip, these cleaning sheets fit perfectly in your hand. This ergonomic design ensures you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a clean space. These lightweight and portable eraser sheets are ideal for quick touch-ups at home, work, or while traveling. They are a convenient cleaning solution that fits easily into your routine and even most sponge holders. What we like. These eraser sheets are activated by water and contain scrubbing gems for extra power. If you need a portable and flexible cleaning solution for quick touch-ups around the house or on the go, these are perfect. If you like the idea of a multi-use eraser that's more durable than traditional ones, you should consider these. What people say. Works better than others and easy to use in small areas. These sheets are just as magical and make cleanup super easy. It helped me remove some stubborn stains I had on an old tub. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Barbecue Daddy Grill Brush. Introducing the Barbecue Daddy, your new go-to tool for a sparkling clean grill. It's designed to make your outdoor cooking cleanup effortless and effective. Experience cleaning power that adapts to your needs. Its unique core softens in warm water and firms up in cold, giving you complete control over scrubbing intensity. Tackle even the toughest grime with the help of steam. As you clean, the heat from the grill enhances its power, allowing it to reach deep into every crevice. Say goodbye to dangerous loose bristles. This cleaner uses a durable, heat-resistant mesh that ensures a safer scraping and cleaning experience every time. It's more than just a brush, it's a multi-tool for your grill. Easily lift grates, scrape away buildup, and even open a bottle with its integrated features. Designed for comfort and maximum leverage, its ergonomic handle and angled trigger make scraping effortless. Cleaning your grill has never been this comfortable or efficient. What we like. This grill brush offers a safer, bristle-free cleaning experience with temperature-controlled scrubbing power. If you're tired of dangerous bristles on your grill brush and want a tool that adapts to your cleaning needs, this is for you. If you like the convenience of multiple grilling tools in one, you should consider this. What people say. The contoured design of the scrubber head is a major benefit, as it fits snugly between the grill grates and cleans the sides better than flat pads or stiff brushes. A key advantage of this system over wire brushes is safety. There is zero risk of stray bristles ending up in food. The design really helps keep me from getting burned, which was the main thing I was looking for. Durable and reliable, definitely worth it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.